Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing a food review. We're going to be doing a review of Del Monte quality 100% juice sliced peaches. Now, as we take a look into the can here, this peach, it has this nice orange yellow look to it, and I think it's very beautiful. Yeah, it looks very good. Now let's try it. Mmm. 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 Oh, man, that is absolutely perfect. I definitely recommend this to anybody who is a big fan of sliced peaches, because this is amazing. It has amazing texture, amazing taste, and I definitely recommend it. So subscribe for more daily food review and Minecraft content. Goodbye, guys.